Smart Tech Nokia will unveil X50 soon to the market. Nokia is developing a new device for its X series. The smartphone will be 5G capable. According to a leak, the company is working on a high-end handset. This upcoming new smartphone will be called Nokia X50. The coming new smartphone will be powered by the Snapdragon 775 chipset. The device with this processor will provide the user with powerful results. The new Nokia's X50 has got a 2.0 GHz Octa-Core processor under the hood of this smartphone. The display of the phone is 6.7 inches long, and the special thing about the display of this Nokia X50 is going to have an IPS LCD Capacitive Touchscreen panel, which is the most powerful display on the market. And the resolution of the display will be 1080 x 2400 pixels, which best setting of resolution in this class. The Nokia Sharp X50 also grabs RAM with a massive capacity of 8 GB. The RAM is on the high end, which will ensure outstanding performance. The handset is having enough storage capacity that will be there to hold enough files to be used in the future. The Nokia has got 128 GB of internal storage in X50. On the back of the device, there is a Penta Camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 108 megapixels, and the other sensors are not conformed yet. The selfie shooter of the X50 has a single lens, as the information confirms that it will have 32 megapixels sensor. The smartphone is going to run the upcoming smartphone called X50 with an Android 11 operating system. The handset X50 has got a fingerprint sensor to secure your data from loss. The battery of the phone is also a massive one. The X50 by Nokia is fueled with LiPo non-removable 6000 mAh battery to get enough backup time and fast charging. Now Samsung and other smartphone companies will be looking to bring features like Nokia X50.